Hey traders, John Howell here. I have something really interesting to share with you. There is an indicator that is flashing a potential stock market pullback, call it a crash, whatever you want to call it, stock market pullback is likely to be around the corner. And the more we start to see a more upside here on the S&P 500, the more we're likely to see this indicator peg to like warning for all the people that are long right now in the market. So let me share with you what I'm talking about. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let me share with you what I'm talking about here. Firstly, on a technical basis, guys, I'm seeing the stock market, I'm seeing what the stock market's doing right now, and we have broken out of this channel on a technical basis, and we've broken up, and now we're just sort of broken up to the upside. And I actually have a target on a technical basis, a target of 3,850. But let me share with you something that is just an absolute warning sign that we could be seeing a bit of a sharp pullback real soon, just underneath your feet. So if you do have, and as I bring this fear and greed index up, if you are in the markets right now, make sure you have stops in place because we could see some sharp selling really, really quickly out of nowhere. Let me share with you what I'm seeing here. So if I zoom in on this good old funky dunky, as you can see, money.cnn.com data/fear and greed. You can see that that's where I'm getting that from. And you can see this is the fear and greed index. And you know the whole analogy, right? When people are fearful, that's when you should be buying. Like when the whole virus thing happened at the start of the year, guess where this indicator was? It was pegged towards extreme fear. So guess what I was doing, right? I was loading up big time on a lot of call options on a lot of things. Apple, I also bought some other stocks. I bought the SPY and so on and so forth. As this indicator was pegging to fear, because most people are wrong in the market. And when most people are fearful, you're greedy. And when most people are greedy, you need to be fearful. Look what's happening now. We've gone from greed to now we're getting to the extreme greed. We're almost pegging to almost 100. Now, here's the really interesting thing. Remember, guys, look at this here. Now, if I scroll down, you've got the stock market breadth indicator. I won't go through these in detail, but the stock market breadth indicator, extreme greed. Stock market momentum, extreme greed. Safe havens, extreme greed. The put and call option. During the last 5 trading days, volume in put options have lagged volume in call options by 63.44%, an indicator bullish bets in their portfolio. This amongst other levels of put options. This is among the lowest levels of put options buying since during the last 2 years, indicating extreme greed on part of investors. Wow, guys, this is a warning sign. Warning sign. The last time this indicator happened, we saw a pretty sharp movement on the downside. Stock price, extreme greed. Junk bonds, we've got greed, and we've got market volatility just neutral as well too. Well, that's obviously market volatility. That's going to spike when obviously the market pulls back. But look at this down the bottom here. You can see this is where the fear and greed over time. You've got the extreme fear down the bottom here, and then you've got the extreme greed up the top. Now look at this. What do you think? This getting towards the end of, towards the end and towards the sort of the start of 2000, and obviously the start of 2020, this year. Guess what was happening, right? We kept going up. Now, this is not saying we're gonna see a sharp pullback real soon, but if we do on a technical basis continue up, I don't believe we're gonna see a very big move before we see some sort of sharp correction in the markets, because we're getting this extreme greed. And as you can see, every time, like the last time we got up to here, that was a warning sign, and look what happened. 1 to 2 months later, we got a sharp pullback. Down the bottom here is extreme fear. This is when I was loading up on call options myself and some of my private clients as well too. I was actually with all my private clients saying, "Oh my goodness, guys, this is a gift, and we'll buy them." This is one of the things that was actually helping me be confident in knowing that we're gonna at least get back to this level here. And that was going to allow me to make some money. But look where we are right now. 88, we're almost getting towards the 100 level. So if on a technical basis, we start to see some more upside, this indicator is saying, hey, don't be too greedy around these levels. And if the market does continue to go up, and it does continue to go through here, and we do continue to go up, which I do think is going to on a technical basis, then as this goes up, bear in mind, then we're going to be pegging towards 100, and that's going to be a warning, and something's going to happen where we're going to see a 6 or 7 or an 8% movement, maybe even a 10% crash on the downside, and then maybe we continue up from there. But this is an extreme, warning sign that a stock market crash could just be around the corner. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.